That would be great.
Yeah. Thanks, baby.
Don't be smiling now. Get up all miserable and grouchy.
I'm not grouchy. I didn't yell. That was you. You said I was rushing him.
Good morning. We're at breakfast and it looks pretty delicious. Day 2 in Atlanta. Chanel got up trying to rush me when I've been ready for 2-3 hours. Breakfast ended at 10 o'clock. She is down here
I think it ends at
at
11.
9:20.
I think it ends at 11.
Then gets up and first thing she says, "Are you ready?" I was ready at 7:20.
She told me.
You're on.
Good morning. I'm now awake. It was a rough start. I can't drink wine anymore. Just a couple glasses make me so sleepy and I just can't get up. I wanted to get up and work out. But anyway, we are here on day 2 in one of my favorite cities, the ATL. So we have a full day planned. And we've just started with double tree breakfast, which is now gone, but we'll talk to you later. Bye.
Got a whole lot to show you today. Make sure you subscribe. A-Dubb. Got a whole lot to show you. A-Dubb. Better stay tuned in. A-Dubb. Make sure you hit that bell too. A-Dubb. Welcome to the show. Thank you.
So breakfast was delicious. And now it's time to go relax and let the food digest in the room and edit a video and get ready for Chanel to rush me some more when she's ready to do somewhere else. Right, babe?
Stop telling people I rush you.
I just took a shower and it was magnificent. Snarf, snarf, snarf. I guess I should get up and get dressed now. Put on some fancy duds and get ready for the festivities, or that they're lack of. That's what you wearing?
I'm wearing a blazer.
You gonna be cold. You gonna be freezing. You gonna be cold. Chanel, you doing your hair?
Yes.
What you doing to it?
Just trying to curl it.
Let me do it.
No.
I can hook it up real good.
Stick to your strengths.
This is my strength.
No,
I'm an
it's
artist.
Okay.
I can make your hair look real nice and bird-like.
Okay.
'Tis the season to be jolly. Wah 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 wah. Wah 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 wah. I'm too sexy for my shirts. Too sexy for my shirts. Too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy, it hurts.
We get down to the beat, y'all. It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe maybe one day I'll move behind you. Turn my life around. Yeah. Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same?
So this is a bird scooter, guys. These scooters are all over the streets.
Unlock the app, bird app.
And they're like all over the corner. So you do this and scan the QR code, and I don't know how it works.
Download the app.
Then you just ride a scooter around the street. Very, very interesting. There's
We're stalling all over.
So guys, we're in the juke joint right now, and unfortunately, we didn't know that this place was this popular, and you gotta make reservations and stuff like that. And it's really crowded. It's a 3-hour wait. Chanel's really hungry, so we're just gonna go somewhere else to eat. Real nice spot. Real seems like there's a nice soul vibe in here, but yeah, we're just gonna go somewhere else. So on the way out, I'll try to get you guys some footage, let you see what it looks like, but it's real packed. So let's see. Let's get out of here, guys.
I thought you would wait for me by the bathroom. There will be no juke joint tonight.
You can always come back and listen to the music. They're open till...
We can come back another time. It doesn't have to be tonight. It can be another day.
Because I think they stay open. Alright. We came from this one.
Yes.
And it's just... We had homecoming here one year.
Hooters. We go to Hooters.
Definitely.
Not going to Hooters. Okay, that's cool. Alright. Horse and carriage ride.
We could go to 10 Lizzie's.
10 Lizzie's? Sounds good to me.
There's actually one right over here on the corner. If you want to go there.
I don't know what that is, but...
You like Mexican? You want Asian?
I mean, what's your name sounds good.
Okay. We'll go there. That's in Midtown.
Yeah, Asian food.
Okay, we'll do that.
Oh,
We can Uber, because it's definitely too far to walk.
That's right. That was that one girl that was with them. That was a guy. It was like the third one. That was a chick. So we're gonna go here to this Chinese cuisine place. Chinese eatery.
I remember getting locked up in myself.
Cozy and
That thing
not
of
crowded.
loving was for everybody else.
Yes.
Lost and lonely, having hurt too many
Do
times.
you want to eat chopsticks or fork?
Gave up on hoping, thought I'd never get it right.
I think this is a good call. It smells like it's a great call.
It's all because of you. It's all because I have to tell you, baby, there's nothing more I need but you. It's you. There is no
So the food looks good. Talk to you guys later. Time to eat.
It's true.